install your proofing browser. The next thing to do is to log into BS Academy, and then once you are logged in, you click on my courses and select the course you want to add contents to. So once you've selected it, the first thing to do is to turn editing on. By default, once your course is created, BS Academy generates up to 10 sections for you to start editing them. So if your course have only 2 sections, you can delete rest and leave only 2. If it is more than 10, you can still add. But now what we are going to do first is to add a chat system into our course. The chat system will allow the teacher, us and our student to have a chat when we are online. Even when the teacher is not online, the student can chat with each other. The student can chat with each other. They can drop questions, they can ask questions. If they don't understand anything, they can explain to each other. When you are also online, you can chat with them. Then if they have any doubt, you can correct it for them. That one is different from the live lectures. This chatting system can be done anytime you log in. You will have the option to see previous chat sessions. If you do a chat session, you will have the privilege to see it. You click on it and you see the chat that went on. You will see the students involved. So if you see that the student did not get it well, you can just click on that particular student and you can start a private chat with him, because each chat the student receive a notification in his email. So to do it, we are going to add our chat system here, and you see add an activity or resource. So we just click on it, add an activity or resource. Then we have a lot of activities and resources here. So what we want is the chat system, so we just select chat. You click on add. After adding, now the name of this chat room, you can see course chat room. Now there's no need for any description. If you want to add any description, you can add it. Then we have chat sessions. This if you want the student to be able to view other chat sessions. So if you want everybody to see, all the students including you, to see the previous chat sessions, you can add it to yes. So any student who logs in will be able to see that there was a previous chat. You can click on it and see what went on. If you don't want that to, you can click no. It means student can only participate in current chat, or he starts a new chat. Okay, strict access. If maybe you don't want the student to access the chat now, or you don't want maybe you want the chatting system to start in a specific date, you can do it here by clicking on add restriction. If it is date, you want the chatting system to be accessed maybe on 20th of February 2018, you can set it here. If you want somebody to have a specific score in a specific assignment or quiz, you can set it here. You can click on the grade. Let's say example, the grade student must. Then you choose, since we have not added an assignment or quiz, but it will appear in the drop down that the student must get in the quiz. Maybe you click on quiz 1. The student must get his grade must be at least 60% in order to access the chat system. But you can leave it. You can leave this one for now. I can allow anybody, all the students, to access the chat system. So what you do is you type your chat name. If you don't have any description, you scroll down. The chat session, I prefer returning to yes. You can leave description, then you click on save and display. Click on display. So display, here is it. Click here to enter the chat now. You can click on it. You can test it. See, it's only me online. You see the list of students online here. then you can start sending them message, hi. You click send, they'll see it, they also reply, and based on that, and then the chat continues. Okay, so to go back to your course room, you just either you click on this TTS, that's the short name of your course. It differs your own. If it is English, your course short name can be GNG. It depends on the course. So you just click on it, it will take you to the course dashboard, or you can click on my courses and click the name of the course. I prefer the shortcut here, TTS. It will take you. So this is the course chat room. This is how the student will see it, and they'll click on it and they start chatting. Okay, so we're now going to add the forum. The forum to follow the same procedure. You click on add a new activity, then you search for forum, you select it and click on add forum. So you can give it a name, course forum. The forum has a lot of settings, and if you don't understand any of the settings, there's always a question mark here. You just click on it to open a new page, and it will give you this thing, help on that this thing. So you can come to attachment and word count. You can say the maximum file size a student can attach to his forum post should be, let's say, 5 MB. The number of attachment each the student can attach, let's say you can set it to 5. This one, word count, if you don't understand, you click on this, it will give you a preview of that. Word count, but I prefer no. Subscription and tracking, I prefer first subscription. It subscribes all the students to the forum, so students are notified each time new posts are posted in the forum. Yes. Then grid is in the grid you set the grid. You are not done yet, so this is not you will leave it for now. We'll come back to it. So the strict access also, yes, if you want to restrict students from, I don't see any reason why you restrict students from participating in the forum, because that's where they will post. It's a thread, they post a problem or a question, and it will be, that one is different from the past session. This one, anytime they can come online, post something, add attachment. If maybe it's a question, you can also solve it. If it is mathematics, solve it, attach a file, they can download it and view the solution. You can use this one. Yeah. So forum type, standard forum for general use. Okay, so after you are done, you click on save and display. So here's it. So just go, you can add a new topic. You can, if you want subject, welcome to my course, you can say welcome to my course, welcome to my course, subject welcome. Okay, subject can be welcome here. Maybe you can message, you can say feel free to post any question. If you want to attach any file, you just click, you can drop it here, or you can click on it and it will ask you to choose a file. Then you upload the file. You can drop it here. After that, you just post to forum and it will be posted. So that's the welcome. That's it. Last post is sorry, zero reply. Student will be able to reply. So your post was suspended. You have 30 minutes to edit it. If you want to make any changes, you have 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, you can't change it. You can't make any edits to it. Okay, so let's go back. Okay, so we are able to add course chat room and course forum. You see this drag arrows here. Yeah, you can choose what you want, which one to appear first. You can move the course chat room up for the course if you want the course chat room to be first before the course forum, or you want the course, yes, or you want this one, you want the forum to come first. You can drag it now. Yeah, course forum, because you can do that one too. Okay, so yeah, done adding course forum and course chat room. So the next one is you're going to have to edit our sections and add new lessons. Thank you.